Alright guys, let's get into stacks here. Now, I can say that, stacks doesn't look that bad compared to the majority of the market. I'm actually kind of proud of stacks in a way. It didn't fall so far. Now, you can see stacks is kind of, stair-stepping its way back up. It did get kind of a support here at, what, $1.60 or so. And yesterday it looks like we kind of got a bounce off this $1.67 mark, basically. And today we're getting a bounce right off the top of this Fibonacci. So maybe tomorrow we bounce here at this $1.82, and we kind of, stair step our way back up. So we weren't looking that bad before, all this war broke out in Lebanon and Iran and Israel. So I do think stacks will pick back up quite quickly, and it's one of the better coins on the market. I mean, I'm actually kind of proud of it right now. So anyways, let's take a quick look at Bitcoin here. Now, I don't have this chart really pulled up. Okay, there we go. Now you can see that we did hold on to the 60.2 mark, which is actually great, because we struggle with 60.2 so much in the past, so this is good to see, guys. I do think we're going to kind of round out now, and we do have to start breaking these levels once again. And the main level we need to break is this top side of this bull flag that we've been trying to break for months, about 7 months now, I think it is. So anyways, guys, the next level we need to break is this weekly, resistance here at about 61.3, and then we got to start working on 62.4 on a daily, and then 63.1, 63.8, and then we have basically, this resistance here at 64.8. It's a weekly resistance, but I think by the time we probably get there, meet this, this trend line again, the top of this bull flag once again. So we'll see, guys. I don't know how fast we're going to recover, but it's very possible that we could meet this trend line, within the next 10 days or so before we get to this green line here. So we'll see. Nothing's guaranteed. Now, let's take a quick look here at the dominance. Now, the dominance has gone up, quite a lot, guys. And you can see it's pretty much back to local highs. Now, if I get rid of this here, this is the 1 month chart, as you see. Now let's take a look at the 3 month chart. I mean, this is pretty much as high as it's been, So if we look at the 6 month, yeah, I mean, this is pretty high, guys. The year to date, yeah, I mean, it's still way up here. So I don't think it's going to break this 58.5758. Yeah, I think 58 or so. I think it's probably going to get a double top, if anything, if it gets up there, and come back down, guys. I mean, if we look at the 5-year chart, I mean, this is just super high, really. I mean, this is extremely high. So we will. I don't think we're going to start breaking into the areas that we were in, 2020 basically, and early 2021 again. Now, there's just too many altcoins and things like this nowadays. So we'll see. I think this is, just the last, push for Bitcoin, probably with the dominance, and these altcoins are going to start, flying soon. Now, tomorrow, if we take a look at the calendar, we do have non-farm payrolls. This is the most important thing tomorrow, so be looking for that. We do have our average hourly earnings. We do have unemployment rate. We do have, FOMC member Williams speaking, and I think he's the only FOMC. Yeah. Okay, and then we have ECB's, speaker here. But yeah, pretty much non-farm payrolls is most important, guys. This is going to be super important tomorrow. Now, the interest rate, if we pull this up on FedWatch Tools, yeah, this is slow to react. Okay, sorry, guys. But let's see what it looks like now, although we're still pretty far out. We're still like 5 weeks away. Yeah, it's pretty much the same as it was the other day, guys. Basically, 2/3 believing that we're going to get a quarter point cut, 1/3 believing in a half point cut. So it can easily reverse just like the last time. And yeah, I mean, I think it's just probably better to look at this when it gets to about a week or two out. But being this far out, I just think it's almost useless to look at it. If we take a quick look here at the fear and greed, if I can get this to work, guys, this PC is not going to cooperate so much tonight. And yeah, the fear is actually, well, we're in fear, but it's at 37. Yesterday was at 42. So yeah, guys, people are starting to fear a little bit more, maybe because of the war and things. So yeah, I mean, we'll see what happens, guys. Now, altcoin season, basically, it's gone down a little bit again. It's now at 35. Yesterday it was a little bit higher, about 41. So yeah, we're coming back down because, like I said, the altcoin dominance is just going up, guys. So it's not good to see. We don't want to see the dominance rise, if we want to have an altcoin season. So yeah. Basically, if we look at crypto bubbles, it's, what, maybe 20 or 30% green, for altcoins. But yeah, like stacks, like this video is for, it's one of the bigger movers right now. But yeah, I mean, probably 20 or 30% is green right now. So anyways, if you want to stake your stacks, you need to go to Coinando. And so go to this website, Coinando, and type in stacks, and you will get a list of places that you can actually stake your stacks. And yeah, I mean, Binance, be aware there is 120 days for 5%, and you do have a limit, guys. So be aware of these limits, be aware of these, time frames that you have to stake for. And yeah, guys, you can stake it on KuCoin. I don't recommend Gate.io. But there's many places that you can stake your stacks. I actually have mine in Binance and in Bitrue. So I have it in two places. Bitrue mainly because it's flexible, though. And I didn't make a video yesterday. I was coughing quite a bit. I'm still sick, guys. So I'm just really happy I kind of made it through this video without coughing today. And yeah, so pray for everybody in Lebanon and Israel, and let's hope this war can end soon, because yeah, we really need that, guys. We need them. We need it for crypto as a whole. And yeah, I mean, let's see what happens now. Bitcoin looks like it does want to go up. This is the daily time frame, guys. So if I put this on the 4-hourly, we are getting a bullish engulfing candle right now on the 4-hourly, so that's good to see. But let's see if we can get a push up, guys. Anyways, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.